Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather. Today is the 4,755th day of quarantine, I think, hence the bad hair day, because who cares? Anyway, I tried out the Do It On a Dime Make Your Own Face Mask with no sewing and just using a couple of hair ties and a pillowcase, and it didn't work out so great. And I'm going to tell you why and show you how you can actually do it for it to work. Okay, so if you want to know what that is, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so the first thing I did was make it the way that she had said, using this pillowcase here. It's a thin, small, standard pillowcase, not the big extra large ones. And it does work where it will cover your face. However, if you can see the thickness of this folded over and using a regular hair tie on each side, when she put hers on, it was way thin. This is not a thick pillowcase. It's a cotton one, just like she'd said to do. But when you put it on, you literally can't breathe. Plus, she made it so fast that I couldn't actually, I had to watch it like 12 times to make sure I was doing it right, because the first couple times I didn't do it right. Okay, not 12 times, like 3. But I'm gonna try this a different way and see if it works a little bit better and it's a little bit easier. So let's go check it out. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna use are these bands that are hair ties, but they're about twice the size of a normal one. And I just got them in this huge packet from Kroger, and they are a little more comfortable to pull back around your head. So we'll use those.
Then what I'm going to do is just cut this pillowcase about 3 inches from the bottom sealed part of it. It is going to ruin your pillowcase, so use an old one that you don't care about. But you're going to just cut this up the side and just use this part of it. That way it's going to be a whole heck of a lot thinner, and it's not going to be bulky, and you should be able to breathe through it. Hopefully you have sharper scissors than mine, because, I mean, come on, this is a bit ridiculous. Anyway, cut off that bottom little piece. Now you're going to go ahead and put your hair ties over it, just like in the video I had seen before, over the ends about a third of the way in. Then you're going to fold it over. Now you're going to need to cut up the side of that seam on one side of it so that you are able to kind of tuck one half of it into the other and keep it kind of secured that way. So you'll just stuff it in as far as you can get there, fold it over, make it flat and smooth, and that is it.
All right, so then we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna put it over our ears, like that. And you are good to go. It's not too tight on your face because you've got the bigger ones, and it's not too thick. It's where you can still breathe. It's a little warm. It's a little hot in there, you know. But I'm not gonna lie, it's not the most comfortable thing ever, but you know, wearing a mask at all is not that comfortable. But this is a DIY. It will filter out about 50% of microbes. Make sure you're not touching it like this. Make sure you only use it once. Wash it in hot water or boil it in water and then launder it in between every time you have to wear it. These are the Goody Ouchless thick, extra long ones. And I got them at Kroger. If I can find a link on Amazon, I'll throw those on there, but got them at Kroger. Okay, so I hope this has helped you to be able to get a pillowcase to work without it being, you know, super thick and hot and where you can't even breathe. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.